The Google Play Store runs into tons of bugs and glitches. Maybe it stops working, or it crashes on you, or it doesn't allow you to download and install new apps. However, I'm going to walk you through a trick to be able to fix all of those, and it's by updating and clearing the cache and data for the Google Play services. To be able to do that, all you're going to do is take your finger and swipe up and find the Settings app. If you don't see it, you could just tap on Search for it. After you've opened up the Settings app, scroll down, tap on Apps midway down, and then scroll down again. Look for Google Play Services. There it is. Tap on Google Play Services. Scroll down again and tap on Storage. You can see here the app data is 300 megabytes, but it's taking up some cache and data. You can see the data is 0.9 gigabytes. After a while, it accumulates tons of data, and this can corrupt the Google Play Store. So what we're going to do, tap on Clear Cache, and then tap Clear Data. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Clear All Data, and then tap Confirm. After you've done that, you're not quite done yet. Tap the back arrow at the top left, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then tap Uninstall Updates. Then tap Uninstall Updates. Essentially, this will uninstall all those updates, and then we'll just go through the process of reinstalling it so that we get the latest version. So next, tap on Google Play Services, scroll down to the bottom, and you can see the version here. Sometimes you'll be able to tap on it to open it up in the Google Play Store, or sometimes it won't necessarily let you do that. If it doesn't let you do that, hop out of here, open up the Google Play Store, tap on your profile at the top right, scroll down, tap on Settings at the bottom, tap on About at the bottom, and then scroll down and tap Update Play Store. So essentially, we've checked to see and make sure the Google Play services are fully cleared of all the cache and data and fully updated. And then we've also done the same thing with the Google Play Store. Now, any app should be working if the App Store is crashing or you're not able to download and install new apps. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.